Do you pretty much eat garbage on travel days? Is it mostly because you need something that's fast, easy, and portable? Well, I'm going to give you some smart snacks that are easy, delicious, and nutritious to keep you healthy on the road. Live in an RV find it fairly difficult to eat healthy. It's even worse on travel days, right? You pull up into a travel stop, run into the mini mart, and probably grab a bag of chips, candy bar, and a large soda. Not the healthiest choices. Well, I have 8 smart snacks that are fast, easy, nutritious, and delicious, and you can carry with you in a car, in the truck, or right in your RV, and I think you're going to love them. So what are they? Honeydew melon, cantaloupe, apples. We are particularly fond of the cosmic apple, carrot, celery, strawberries, blueberries, and one of my favorites, popcorn.
When you find popcorn you like, you get popcorn you like.
Now, I chose these 8 snacks for good reason. First off, all the fruits and vegetables are between 50 and 100 calories. Most of them are closer to 50 per cup, except for the cosmic large apple. This is about 100 calories, but regardless, all of the others are much lower. All of them are between 80 and 90% water. They have protein, they have great fiber, and are also low in carbohydrates. But the carbohydrates they do have are complex carbs. That means that your body digests them slowly, so you're not gonna get those spikes in blood sugar. So these are really, really great. Now, I know you might be thinking, I cannot pick a good cantaloupe or a good honeydew melon to save my life. This is a trick that took me years to find, but it truly does work. On the opposite side of the stem, you've got kind of like a little belly button. If you just press around that belly button and it has some give, that's probably a good ripe cantaloupe. It works like a charm for me, and I've been doing it for the last probably year, and it works wonders. I don't typically eat the entire apple, but most of the time Phil and I are sharing these things, so I cut them up and put them into a nice little travel container. These are in my fridge, ready for me to come back and grab. Now, as you probably know, we live in a Class A, so it's easy for me to just get up, run back, and go to the fridge and grab these things out. But what if you're in a fifth wheel or a travel trailer? No big deal. Carry a thermal bag. This is a pretty big one because we go grocery shopping with this, but it doesn't have to be this large. Just keep some type of a small cooling container available in your truck or car, so that way you have easy access to it. When you have these things around, you don't need to run into the mini mart and go grab a bunch of junk. You're going to feel a whole lot better about yourself by having these things in your vehicle and much, much closer to you. So these are nice, fast, easy snacks. Celery has only about 6 calories per stalk, but it gets even better than that. Celery is what's considered a negative calorie or a negative food. What that means is that your body uses more calories to process and digest that food than it actually has in it. You're probably gonna burn 20-25 calories digesting and processing the celery, and it only has 6. So you're gonna be actually losing weight as you're eating it. So definitely a smart snack. Now, if you think any of these are kind of dull, what you can always do is have a little side of peanut butter or hummus. Hummus is another really great go-to. Now, I also really wanna talk about the popcorn. This stuff is so delicious. I got this at Walmart for $1.97 a bag. Can't beat that. Again, in 1 cup, there's about 43 calories. Same kind of thing goes for Skinny Pop. There's Naked Pop. Look for those low-calorie popcorns. They do have them at the mini marts and stuff when you pull over for a fuel stop. But this is a really great snack, especially if you're craving crunchy or salty. This one meets both of those needs. But this is another really great one. You can pretty much eat as much of this kind of popcorn as you want. You don't really want your super butter flavors, although sometimes the butter ones is a lighter version, but yeah, you want to stay away from your movie theater popcorns. Those have a lot of calories and a lot of fat. So there you go. 8 easy snacks that are nutritious and delicious and very fast to prepare. Just a few minutes of cutting and chopping and you're ready to go. So this will help keep you healthy on the road. As always, if you like this video, give us the thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends, and we'll see you next week.